By the end of this video, you are finally going to be able to stop that cycle of subconscious self-sabotage that you might have been stuck in. And the beautiful part of this is that once you recognize it, and I'm going to teach you how to recognize it, you're never, ever, ever going to be experiencing that subconscious sabotage again. So as you go, as you're getting any aha moments, as you're getting any insights, please put them in the comments, because it really helps not only yourself, but other people as well. But before we get into it, let's just quickly recap on how reality that we experience is created. Within our mind, there are three main minds, yes? You have your subconscious mind, you have your self-conscious mind, and you have your superconscious mind. Your self-conscious mind is the one that is logical, the one that can discern right from wrong and good from bad. Our subconscious mind acts as a bridge between our self-conscious mind and our superconscious mind. Or to put it another way, our subconscious mind acts as a bridge between our little human self and the infinite nature of all that we are. That part of us that resides in the spiritual plane of all possibility. It's our conscious mind, our self-conscious mind, that chooses a particular reality. And then our subconscious mind acts as the filter on whether or not we can have it, based upon whether it is safe for our human to have it or not. And then God Source Universe, our infinite self, just says yes to whatever our subconscious decides. And when I say decides, our subconscious mind doesn't place a judgment on anything. It's just like a yes-no machine based upon everything that we've experienced in our life. All the programming that we've learned from friends and family and the media and life in general, yeah. Our subconscious has this idea of who we are, what we're capable of, based upon what we have been told about ourselves to be true. You see, whatever our subconscious believes to be true is what's true, but only for you. This is where your personal reality is born. So if your subconscious mind is sabotaging you in any way, it's not because you're broken or that you've done anything wrong. It's that your subconscious mind has a belief system within it that says that the reality that your self-conscious mind has chosen probably isn't going to be the safest option for you. So no matter how much you want it, if subconsciously you believe yourself to be in danger by having it, what will manifest is what you've already got, because that's what it believes to be safe. And usually that lies in familiarity. And in Tuesday's video, I took you through a very simple nervous system regulation exercise that will slowly, over time, if you do it every day, build that familiarity into a life that you actually want to experience. Yeah. So what is this golden ticket that will stop you from ever experiencing subconscious self-sabotage again? Well, it's your expectations. You see, your expectations will tell you what your underlying belief system is. And we learn our expectations through either our own lived experiences or through witnessing somebody else's experiences, yeah? For instance, after watching Thelma and Louise, there was nothing that would make me want to go to Texas, right? But that wasn't my story. That was Louise's story, wasn't it? Yeah? Louise had a really bad experience in Texas, and the whole message was like, don't go to Texas, it's dangerous there. And that became my reality too, because I loved that film and I watched it many, many, many times. So that just infiltrated, and that's what happens. That's how our subconscious mind gets programmed, right? We hear the same message over and over and over and over and over and over again, and we believe it to be true. And because our subconscious mind believes it to be true, it becomes true for us. Now, for anybody in Texas, please don't take this badly. I don't hold anything against you now. So here's what you can do. Before every task, before you start your day, before you enter a new part of your day, have a check-in with you and see what you expect the outcome to be. Like just before you pick up the phone to make that call, what are you actually expecting the response to be? When you send that contract off, waiting for it to be signed, what is the story that you're telling yourself? Because if you send the contract with the expectation that it's not going to be signed, then that's portraying a belief system that says something along the lines of people won't pay me money, I'm not as good as my competitors, there's going to be a better offer for this client. So what is your expectation? Yeah. Once you've understood your expectation, once you've actually heard it, then you're in a position to change it. Yeah, just before you've walked into that meeting, there's an expectation of what's going to happen. Does that expectation match the outcome that you actually desire? If it doesn't, you get to ask yourself the question, what would need to be true for this expectation to exist? Yeah, what would need to be true for this expectation to exist? Because that expectation is showing you your belief system. So if that underlying belief doesn't match the actual outcomes that you desire, you get to tell yourself a different story. Every time you catch your expectation and hear the belief underneath it, and the more you practice it, the easier and easier it'll be to do. The quicker you'll be able to tell yourself a different story that will reprogram your subconscious mind. When your expectation matches your desired outcome, there is nothing for your subconscious filter to say no to. There is nothing in your subconscious belief system that thinks that it would be unsafe for you to have it, so God, Source, Universe will just say yes. And you'll find that your manifestations just like click into place like Tetris. Now, this is obviously the work that I do with my clients who, in my signature programs, are typically 6- and 7-figure business owners, entrepreneurs and leaders in their field who have plateaued, who have burned out, and they know that there is so much more out there that is available for them. I help you to get that more, whatever that more is. And there's also the option of joining me in a workshop that I hold monthly that is very, very affordable. It's less than $40 US. And you can obviously join the YouTube membership as well. We've now started doing accountability in there as well, because taking action on our desires is actually really important too, right? So you'll find all of the links that you need in the description below. So thank you so much for all of your comments, all of your likes and shares and hypes. It really does help. As we've moved from 2 videos a week into 3, so Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, the algorithm is in a bit of a flux. So all of your interactions really do help the channel and really do help to get this message out to all the people that need it. I really appreciate you being here. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want another way of programming your subconscious mind, and you're interested more in the behavioral psychology of all that you are, then there's another video that I know you're going to love just there. So click on that one next. And as you go through your day, make sure that your expectations match the outcome that you desire. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.